What is the total charge on 75 kg of electrons? Number of electrons in 75 kg. N is equal to total mass divided by mass of one electron. N is equal to 75 divided by 9 into 10 to the power minus 31. N is equal to 8.3 into 10 to the power 31. Total charge is equal to Q is equal to N into E is equal to 8.3 into 10 to the power 31 into minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Q is equal to minus 1.33 into 10 to the power 13 coulomb will be the answer. Thank you.